So I can't stress that enough, you guys. You've got to continually be working on this all the time. The glue that holds your training together. So you can do it in different environments. But always have that same context of doing it when they're moving away. What you're not going to do. I love that Truffles. Spin that one and go up. I love the screw going way over there. So, Blue! Good boy! So you saw what happened there was he ignored the pager, and so I just got him real quick all through. LULU! Oh, look at her go. Oh, she's running away. Hurley. Loves to run. All through. Jumpy. Just want to reward them right away, you guys. And remember, don't start saying sit and everything else. There's no idea why people do that. It's so conditional. He goes over there and sit. Look at that Truffles. Where are the Truffles? Oh, they look like they should be in a movie or something. Truffles is Johnny on the spot. Get him on the runaway. That's not what I think this is the pond where we saw the alligators out there. Yikes! That was terrifying. LULU! Hurley! So I paged them currently. You're supposed to be building a Bob Evans right here, which is the most disgusting food. You guys, it's not good. You like a lot of biscuits with a lot of salty gravy on them. You're going to love
Cracker
that
Barrel.
Oh, Cracker Barrel? Oh, okay. Well, Bob Evans, isn't it kind of a safe name? That's right, Cracker Barrel. I don't know what I was thinking. I do think it's kind of the same food, though. LULU! Oh, she just runs back to me. mud over there. Really headed straight for the mud. Alright, let's go back. All through. So we had Jumpy in his place. He tried to sneak off of his place and get on the couch. So I had to get him a kick. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, don't tell me Hurley got a sticker in his paw. Oh boy. Off through. Hey! Alright, the poor Labradoodle's trying to get aggressive here. Hurley! Where's Jumpy? Truffles is an extremely kind, gentle soul. Look at her posture. So in some dogs, it's also bringing it out in that one we just got in at the house, Luke. She goes over by his cage and grovels, and then he starts snarling and growling. Ay, 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 ay. LULU! Swung LULU back in my direction. Ouch! Alright guys, we gotta do one more video and then we gotta go get the stuff to make the salted caramel fudge that I invented. I don't know if you guys know about my limited baking skills. My uncle, of course, thinks I'm a gourmet baker. Oh, they don't see the cake that's fine. Let's keep all that on the down low. Oh, hang on, let me get that loud. Hurley! 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 Oh God, something stuck on his butt again. Hurley! I want to report that these outward hound tree pouches are defective. They break. Gotta find a decent tree pouch. If you guys know of a better one that doesn't just break. Alright, I'm gonna get that Labradoodle again. I need to add a little bit of dip. Hurley! Hurley! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Don't you stop! Quit! So, that was only set on 20, but you see how he turned real fast. Lou has a very beautiful spin on him. Maybe. This dog is definitely posturing towards Blue, and I don't really know why. Alright guys, we're gonna go give him a drink of water. See you soon.